Whether you are attracting a new relationship, whether you are attracting your soulmate, love, or whether you are healing your relationship with your ex or with your love with whom you are not talking or not in contact or not in relationship for some time. If you are healing your relationship or if you are attracting a new relationship, then you need to learn one of the most unusual but the most powerful law of attraction technique that you should start using on a daily basis. And this is not something you have to do it sitting for some particular time. This is something you have to apply all the time when you are around, going around, seeing around. And when you start using it, your vibration will go immensely higher. Your power of attraction and manifestation, especially for relationship and love into your life, will become massively stronger, and it will really speed up your manifestation process, so that you will able to heal your relationship if you are healing your relationship, or you will able to attract new relationship if you are attracting a new relationship. Are you ready for it? I am sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Soulmate, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. And thank you for being in our awesome tribe. Those of you who are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. And if you are yet to check my website awesomage.com, check it, so that there are tons of resources available for you to manifest your desires. Now, so many of you are either healing your relationship with your love or ex, or with someone with whom you have a broken relationship, or if you are going through a difficult time in your relationship. You are in a relationship with your boyfriend, girlfriend, husband or wife, but things are not going fine. There are a lot of fights, there are a lot of negativities going on. Or you are single and you are focusing and attracting a new relationship, maybe your soulmate, love, boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, new. This is one of the most unusual but one of the most powerful relationship technique that you should start applying every single day, right from right now. And you will see significant change. Once you start implementing it, you will see significant change even from today itself. Within next 1 week, next 1 month, you will see tremendous change, and you will be really happy and grateful to this technique. If you are looking for something like this, then let me know in the comment section. And this you can apply with all other techniques that you are doing for healing your relationship, meditation, affirmation, visualization, gratitude, that everything that you are doing, along with that you can do it, because this technique doesn't take any time. This is something you have to remember and apply whenever you are in that situation. And I'm so happy to give you this technique, because this is going to create immense transformation, and I'm really happy to share with all of you. And if you are feeling my happiness and if you are feeling my joy to share this with you, let me know in the comment section, because I know that this is going to be significantly transformational for you. Now, before I share this technique with you, I want to ask you one big question, and this is going to create a huge change. How do you feel when you see other happy couples? Whether you see them on the road, or whether you see them when you go to a restaurant, or whether when you see them in some park or in social life, or when you see some happy couples picture in the Facebook, maybe one of your friend or someone friends, or when you see some happy couple in a movie, or you see them in a TV series or somewhere, or when you see a billboard of a happy couple, how do you feel? How do you feel? Because how do you feel at that moment defines everything. Unfortunately, most of the people who are going through relationship issues, most of the people who are struggling in the relationship, or who are not able to find their soulmate, or not able to attract the right partner into their life, or in a relationship but having tough time, they feel negative. Yes, most of those people feel either jealousy, that they said, oh my God, how they are so happy, or they feel jealousy, or they feel lonely or sad. They don't have jealousy for them, but they feel that they are so lucky that they are in a beautiful relationship, but they themselves feel lack. They feel lonely. They started feeling sad about themselves. Or they start judging those people, they start judging to try to justify that they are not a good couple, and they try to justify, oh, the girl is not good enough for the boy, or the boy is not good enough for the girl, oh, these are imperfect couple. Or you start thinking that, okay, they may be showing it just outside, when they go back home they fight, when they go back home they have differences. Or you start finding n number of reasons. And when you start finding n number of reasons to feel negative, whether you feel sad, angry, jealousy, lonely, negative or judgmental, what you do, you lower your vibration for love. You lower your vibration for love. And how you react in this situation defines everything how you are manifesting. If you are reacting in this situation or sending energy which is negative, then no matter how much practices or processes you are doing, on the other time it's not giving you great result. And those of you who are struggling in relationship, I'm sure you are stuck in this. You visualize your dream, you visualize being with that person, you meditate, you do affirmation, but when you go out and see happy couple, you feel either jealous, lonely, sad, and then whatever positive energy you build up with that affirmation or with that meditation or gratitude, now all of them are gone down. And then you wonder why your manifestation is not happening. That is why I said this is a very unusual but very powerful process. Remember, when you are seeing those happy couple, you know why you are seeing them? You are not seeing them by accident. The universe is showing them to you. The universe is showing them to you and asking you, are you ready for a joyful relationship? Are you ready for a magical relationship? Every time the universe is showing you a happy couple, the universe is asking you, are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? But what you are saying, when you are feeling jealous, when you are feeling negative, when you are feeling sad, when you are feeling unhappy, when you are judging, you are saying, no, 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 I am not ready for it. You are saying, no, 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 no. Every time universe is showing you, before giving you your magical relationship, before healing your relationship, like when you used to go to a store to buy something, before the shopkeeper really sell it to you or tell you the price or everything, they first show you what do you like, and when you say yes, I like this, then you buy it. So same way, or whenever you go to the mall, even if everything is, so many products are there, you don't buy everything. When you say something before buying something, you feel that yes, this is what I am gonna take home, and then you get it and then you take it to home. So that is the same process. The universe is asking you, are you ready for happy relationship? Are you ready for happy relationship? Are you ready for happy relationship? And you are saying no, 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 no. And when you are saying no, you are not manifesting. So this technique is what you are going to do, and this is immensely powerful. What you are going to do is every time you see a happy couple, you don't have to be jealous, you don't have to be lonely, you don't have to be judgmental, you don't have to be bothered about what they do in their home. Whether they are happy in their personal life or not, that is none of your business. If universe is showing you the happy side of that couple, means universe is just wanting you to say yes to that happiness. And when you see any couple on the road, in the mall, in the office, wherever you see, in the movies, in the TV series, every time you see a happy couple, you have to say, yes, 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 I am ready for it. Yes, I am ready for it. Yes, universe, I am ready for it. Yes, universe, I am ready for it. And then bless this couple. Give your blessings. Give your blessings. Bless them to be happy. Bless them to be magical. Bless them to be joyful. Because when you say yes and bless them, you give the permission to the universe. You tell the universe that, yes, universe, I am ready for it. Let's bring it on. And you are ready for it. And when you say yes, 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 universe will bring it to you. Whether it's healing your relationship, whether it's bringing back your love, or whether it's bringing the new soulmate into your life, when you say yes, 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 the universe will bring it to you. And this is the law of attraction. Remember, like attracts like. Remember, wherever your attention goes, energy flows, and that's what you manifest. When you see a happy couple and when you say yes, 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 means like attracts like, you are ready to manifest a happy relationship. Or your struggling relationships start becoming happier or magical or joyful. And when you give your attention by blessing those couple, means you are giving your attention to blessing the love and joy that is there in the relationship, and that's when that blessing will bring more joyful and magical relationship into your life. My friend, this is the most unusual but the most powerful relationship healing technique, relationship manifestations technique, soulmate manifestation technique that I want all of you to use. And even if you are in a relationship and not manifesting a new person, still you need to practice it, because this will enhance your relationship in significant way. You deserve to have a magical, joyful and amazing relationship. Say yes to the universe and bless every single joyful couple that you see around. And right now, I want you to do something. If you are ready, if this video, this technique has inspired you, if this technique is an eye-opener for you, then like it, comment right now and let me know how powerful it is. I want you to write in the comment section, yes, universe, I am ready for my joyful, magical, loving relationship. Go write it in the comment section, let yourself know, let the universe know that you are ready for it. And from now on, from right now, every time you see a couple, bless them, say yes to the universe, bless them and say yes to the universe. Be happy, be joyful, because this is not something you have to just sit and practice. This is something you have to do 24/7. Means whenever you are seeing, you have to be in that awareness and do it, and you will see significant change happening. In fact, I believe that when you are watching this video, understanding this concept, already your vibration has gone higher. If your vibration has gone higher, if you are excited to make your relationship joyful and magical, let me know in the comment section. Share this video with someone you love and let them know that they too can make their relationship magical. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes in making your relationship better, healing your relationship, then you should join my powerful program, 28 Magical Practice video program, where we have lot of practices relevant to relationship healing and making relationship better. Check the link in the description section and start your journey. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, and be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you.